The battle for the title of Best Budget ANC headphones is pretty fierce already, but I'm going to go ahead and throw another contender into the ring, the Tribit Quiet Plus, which retail at full price for around $90, but make sure you stay tuned to the end to find out how you can get them for up to 40% cheaper for a limited period. I was sent these by Tribit in exchange for my honest opinion, and that's exactly what I'm going to be giving you guys today, pros and cons included. Today I'm going to be unboxing these headphones and giving you my first impressions on sound quality, mic quality, comfort and value for money after using them for the last 24 hours. So let's get into it. The Tribit Quiet Plus already tops a lot of the competition before you even get them out of the box. You're looking at Bluetooth 5.0, the support of aptX codec, USB-C fast charging, and a 30-hour battery life. That's 4 features that most options at this price point simply don't offer right now. So let's get started with the unboxing and see what else the Quiet Plus can deliver. First off, we've got a leather feel Tribit branded hardshell case, which is incredibly compact and solid. I'd just like to quickly point out as well that many other options around this price point ship with an absolutely enormous case, usually because the headphones don't fold up. And sometimes it still comes with an enormous case when they do fold up, so that's already a massive win for having a compact case and a folding design. There's a little side pouch inside where you can keep your USB-C cable and audio cable as well, which are both of course included in the box. But here's the main event, the headphones themselves. Now, just on first impressions alone, I instantly loved their sleek and simple design, which totally reminded me of my $200 Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Mark IIs. The padding feels really soft and cushioned without adding too much overall bulk to the headphones when you've got them on. The ear cups don't independently fold in, which would be kind of nice as it can make them a little bit more comfortable if you like to wear them around your neck when you're not listening to them, but that's not a massive deal breaker for me. I couldn't help but notice that the Tribit Quiet Plus do incorporate a lot of plastic in their build, which is totally fine at this price point, though I personally would have preferred a slightly more matte finish at the very least. But each ear cup actually has a pretty pleasing cold metal finish to them, which definitely helps to balance all of that out. The plastic heavy build did however result in a few creaking sounds during my stretch test, but regardless they are really flexible and pretty strong overall. The battery life game here is strong, offering up to 30 hours playback, which is definitely top tier compared to budget options and high-end options too. I haven't had a chance to extensively test how accurate that figure is, but so far so good. They can also fully charge in 3 hours, which isn't bad at all either. In terms of fit, they are really comfortable to wear, and I was able to wear these for several hours without any signs of ear fatigue, which is actually pretty rare for me with over-ear headphones. The Quiet Plus are definitely some of the better over-ear headphones in terms of a stable, secure fit, and they are really lightweight too. When they're on, they don't look excessively bulky either, which is a massive plus for me. Here's the mic test. How does it sound to you guys? Tribit promised us crystal clear call quality, and they definitely delivered on that front. Can you guys hear me over a little bit of background noise though? Is it picking up my voice first and foremost over all this background noise? You be the judge. But overall, the mic quality is definitely one of the best out of any budget ANC headphones that I've tested so far. I did give these headphones a quick test while watching YouTube and Netflix and also a few gaming apps as well. And the video latency was actually next to none, likely thanks to the support of that aptX codec and Bluetooth 5.0, so that's great news there as well. In terms of overall usability and functionality, the Quiet Plus don't put a foot wrong. If I had to really nitpick though, they don't have touch controls, which would have been nice, but in reality, 90% of other ANC headphones at this price point also lack touch controls as a feature too. You do also have to ensure that you manually turn off the ANC after use, as they will drain your battery life otherwise, which is a little bit of a pain. I'd love to see ANC turn itself off when the headphones themselves are powered off, but again, that's an issue that nearly all other affordable ANC headphones have in common. Speaking of ANC though, it's safe to say that you're definitely getting value for money out of the Quiet Plus with all those low frequency noises just being completely obliterated with the flick of a switch. There is an audible hiss while ANC is on, which is a shame, but it's not particularly audible while music is playing, and again, that hiss is very common with other budget options out there as well. But here's the part you've all been waiting for, I'm sure, sound quality. And bear in mind, this will just be my impressions over the last 24 hours. Overall, the Tribit Quiet Plus have a well-balanced sound profile that still manages to deliver punchy bass and a clear emphasis on vocals at all times. The highs could use a little bit extra sparkle, otherwise it's a really strong sound signature straight out of the box. The sound quality is unaffected by ANC being on or off too, which is nice. These aren't the loudest pair of headphones in the world, and the highs dither a little at 100% volume, but even closer to the 90%, 80% volume mark, the Quiet Plus are still certainly loud enough and still manage to maintain exceptional clarity. So that's my first impressions on sound quality. Now it's time for my final verdict after using them for 24 hours. Overall, I can definitely recommend the Quiet Plus purely for all those features I mentioned at the start of the video. Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C fast charging, a 30-hour battery life, but then throw on top of that the hard shell case, great sound quality and mic quality, nearly zero audio-visual lag, and the fact that they fold up, and you've got a serious contender in the title for best budget ANC headphones. At the full retail price of $90, I'd love to see ANC turn itself on and off automatically, and a slightly better finish on the plastic to give it more of an edge over other options out there. These are a few nitpicks really, but hey, I did say I was going to be honest. However, I can suddenly be much more forgiving about those small nitpicks at the early bird price, which takes them from $90 down to $54 for the first 500 early bird subscribers. So that's a whopping 40% off. That instantly makes them the best ANC headphones under $60 by a mile. I believe that the next 501 to 1500 early bird subscribers will get 30% discount, so it is well worth getting in there early. If you are interested, I'll throw the link in the description, and this deal is on from the 9th of December until the 15th of December, so make the most of that discount if you are interested. So yeah, for $54, that makes the Tribit Quiet Plus one of the best budget ANC headphones out there, but even at full price, they definitely still hold their own. Now you've watched this video, you should definitely check out my 5 best budget ANC headphones video here. Check out all your other options, there's some really good ones in there. Or you can check out my review of the Mixer E10s here, which are another awesome option around this price point. So click one of those and I'll see you in the next video.